Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the new walk pose on Dress to Impress. So it is not a pose, it is like a walking pose. So if you didn't get the notification already, you have to go inside of this secret room. And then there will be like a notification, like it will pop up. But to find it, you just need to go to poses, go to shops here. Go to walks and you'll find the Star Baby Walk Pack. Select view and I'm just going to select equip idle and equip walk. And this is the walk. It's actually pretty funny. Dancing through life, mindless and careless. Sorry. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!